The top of a horseshoe flattop typically has a higher, squared-off front and center, with a U shape around the crown where it dips inward. Comb the hair straight up and decide on the desired length. A traditional horseshoe flattop is kept fairly short on top, but always squared or flat in the center. Start at the front center, or apex, of the head. Hold the flat top comb horizontally, parallel to the floor, and run the clippers across the comb to cut the hair level. Continue moving the comb toward the back in small sections, maintaining a flat plane. Comb the crown area straight up. Using your previous center guide as a length reference, gradually reduce the length and allow the center portion near the crown to be trimmed shorter, or even fully removed, forming the characteristic open center. After making your first pass, recheck multiple angles using the comb. The top should be flat or slightly curved following the intended horseshoe shape. Make sure the front, sides, and back of the horseshoe are all even in length and aligned with your chosen shape. Use the comb and clipper technique to refine any uneven sections. Ensure the center gap, the horseshoe part, is clearly defined, symmetrical, and meets the client's desired look. Determine how tight you want the sides. For a classic horseshoe flattop, the sides and back are often cut very short, sometimes down to skin. Work in an upward motion, following the natural contour of the head, stopping where the horseshoe section begins. Use a clipper over comb technique to blend the top section into the shorter sides if needed. If the client wants a fade, gradually move from lower guards, shorter, at the bottom of the sides and back to longer guards as you move up to the horseshoe line. Use a trimmer or edger around the hairline, sideburns, and neckline to create a crisp outline. If there is any discrepancy between the top horseshoe area and the sides, lightly blend or taper with a clipper over comb or with an intermediate guard. Ensure the center gap, the horseshoe part, is clearly defined, symmetrical, and meets the client's desired look. For a sharp, upright flat-top, you can use a strong hold gel, pomade, or hair wax. Work the product into the damp or dry hair on top, combing it upward or outward to maintain that flat-top appearance. Using a blow dryer with a flat brush or comb can help set the hair upright and reinforce the flat shape. Look at the haircut from all angles, front, sides, back, to ensure symmetry and a consistent shape. Verify the horseshoe shape is cleanly defined. Confirm the client is satisfied with the length and overall style. Consistency in using the flat top comb, or clipper over comb technique, is crucial for a clean, even cut on top. Horseshoe flat-tops can be tricky. The more you practice the technique and refine your method, the more accurate and confident you'll become.